Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're gonna make this finger-licking good Coctel De Camaron. Let's get started. We're gonna start off by adding 8 cups of water to boil. Go ahead and put it at medium heat because we're gonna add some more ingredients. Here we have an onion. We're gonna cut it in half and add it to the water. Next, you're gonna add 2 bay leaves. We're gonna add 6 black pepper balls. And we're gonna sprinkle some salt. While you're letting the water warm up, peel 1 garlic and add it in. Next, you will need 1 tomato. Cut it in half and also add it in. Next, you're gonna need celery. After washing it, cut 6 pieces in half and add it in. You're gonna add all of these ingredients simultaneously and then let them boil. You really want all of these ingredients to blend together while they boil. Doesn't this look so pretty? I wish you guys could smell this. Go ahead and give it a quick mix. Cover it and let it cook until it boils. It's been boiling for about 20 minutes now. The smell is incredible, and I haven't even added the shrimp yet. This next part is optional, but if you do decide to do it, it's gonna take the flavor to a whole new level. Here I have the shrimp shells I kept when I washed and cleaned the shrimp. Add it into your pot. I know, but trust me, it's gonna be good. Give it a quick mix and cover it back up. We're gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes. You're gonna need about 2 pounds of shrimp. Clean and wash them and set them aside. Now that it's been boiling for about 25 minutes, you're going to remove everything. But don't throw it away because we're still gonna use it. Make sure you get everything out. It'll make your life easier later on. Now we're adding the good stuff, the shrimp. Slowly add them into your broth and be careful because it could be hot. Get the vegetables we set aside earlier and just place them on top. It's gonna add a little extra kick to the flavor. Cook your shrimp for about 3 minutes and remove the vegetables. They should end up looking something like this, a little pink. Just want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Go ahead and start draining your shrimp. A bowl of cold ice water to stop them from cooking. Now set them aside to get our vegetables ready. Here I'm going to chop up finely a whole purple onion. You guys know already what time it is. Chopping it up time. Make sure they're small pieces so they won't be so overbearing when you bite into your shrimp later. Here's a purple onion all chopped up and ready to go. Next, we're gonna peel one whole cucumber. Make sure you wash it before you start to peel it. Cucumbers are so refreshing, they go great with seafood. Now that they're peeled, we're gonna cut them in half and remove the seeds. If you love cucumber, you can go ahead and leave the seeds. This is kind of the same process I use when I'm making cucumber water. Stay tuned for that one. Now they're ready to be chopped up into finely pieces. The smaller the better. Now you're gonna need one medium tomato. Go ahead and start chopping it up. If you love tomato, you can go ahead and add 2 tomatoes. Now here I have 3 serrano peppers. You're gonna chop them up as well. Go ahead and remove the seeds if you don't want it super spicy. I like mine spicy, so I'm gonna leave it. Now we have a bunch of cilantro. You're gonna finely chop it up into small little pieces. The cilantro is a very cheap herb that brings a lot of flavor to the dish. So remember guys, for the vegetables, all you need is 1 onion, 2 or 1 tomatoes, 1 seedless cucumber, and a small bunch of cilantro. Now that we're done chopping our vegetables, we're gonna get our cocktail ready. You're gonna get 1 big bowl and add in 1 cup of clamato. This is making me crave a michelada. This is a perfect dish for the summertime or when you're missing the summertime. Next, you're gonna add 1 cup of V8. V8 and clamato in a bowl. Yeah! Now you're gonna add 1 cup of the shrimp broth from earlier. Be sure that it's cool. A traditional shrimp cocktail is usually cold, so make sure all of your ingredients are cold. Now we're gonna add a half cup of fresh squeezed lime juice. You're gonna add a pinch of salt, next a pinch of black pepper. Give it a quick mix, and remember, this is all to your liking. If you wanna add some more, you can. Just give it a little taste. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of Maggi sauce. Next, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Valentina, and yes, I'm using the black one. That one's extra picoso. Remember guys, if you don't like yours super spicy, you can add the regular Valentina or your favorite hot sauce, or you don't have to add it at all. But I totally recommend it for the flavor. Give it a quick mix. Now we're gonna add 1/4 cup of ketchup. Yeah, ketchup. La salsa ketchup. Mix it to incorporate all of the ingredients. Give it a quick taste. I just want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to please like and subscribe. Look at how colorful these veggies look. Go ahead and slowly add them all in the bowl. Oh my gosh, this looks so delicious. All that hunger that you're feeling is about to vanish with this cocktail. Give it a little mix. Now go ahead and add in the shrimp. This is perfect for when you have a family gathering. Everybody can snack on this. This looks so good. Now give it a quick mix and it's ready to serve. Prepare for something amazing. Now for the last topping, we're gonna add some delicious avocado. Kill your hangover with this reviving dish. Ah! Hi, hi, hi! For me, the more avocado, the better. I'm just an avocado lover. You can also cut them up into small chunks. Either way, it's still gonna be good. Drizzle some cilantro on top. And last but not least, you're gonna add the shrimp at the rim of the bowl. Doesn't this look straight out of a restaurant? Now you can make it at the comfort of your own home. have this with saltine crackers or tostadas. I'm having mine with saltine crackers. Now that it's ready, let's go ahead and give it a quick taste. Yum! Delicioso! I hope you guys enjoy this shrimp cocktail. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.